P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it.
So I can get rid of this terrible card.
Hey, Mary, bring us a couple more beers, would you?
Mom, can we go play in the canyon? We'll be back before dinner, I promise.
No, it's almost dinner time now, and it's really too near dark for you guys to go wandering off.
Oh, come on, Mom. It's not very far. Just over here on the right.
And no sense.
Duke, wake up, boy.
On that canyon, you want to land in it?
Well, let's just circle around slowly if you can.
Got it. What is you looking for? Man, there's nothing out here but sand and mesquite.
Hermione? I was afraid. So the gentleman here was good enough to comfort me.
Never mind. We haven't the time. The carriage of Count Riverbeat has arrived to fetch us.
Here? That wasn't at all what the plans were.
The Count was ever so impatient to welcome his young lady.
It's carry on housing.
Well, come along.
Verifica anche la palette del più italiano. Oh yes, please.
They don't belong to the House of Lords.
Jesus, you gave me good head tonight. No. Fucking hell, she's having a crisis. I stopped Beast Must Die because I thought of time restraints we were getting Bond filming.
Being a remote designer can get lonely. On my Gen Z brain, he has phone calls. But this morning, I came up with an idea to turn phone calls into art. I wanted to see if I could build it before work. So I opened up Cursor and created Latte Engineering, a digital coffee break with friends where I get to see my word, draw in latte art, and my friends race to guess. I designed a homepage in Figma, adding all the elements that will impress my
Go on, finish it off.
What do we film on? It's what do we film on?
Oh, Ted's going at John Bull Volume 1, we do our Queen song. P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.